Hey, welcome YouTube. It's the Basic Dad here with Basic Dad Creations. I got my Basic Kid on the video recorder for me today. Hey, time's finally come. We're going to record our first session of me powder coating a tumbler. I've got an RTIC 30-ounce tumbler here. I've put it in the oven. I've preheated it. I've got the ground wire on. Powder coating is done by electricity. And that's done simply by positive charge and negative charge. And so I'm preheating my oven up. I've also cleaned and wiped down this cup with acetone to get it really clean. And first and foremost, before you do anything, safety first. So we're going to put on our mask. I've got my oven glove ready to go. And so we're going to turn on the system. We've got our foot pedal down here, and I've got my air compressor set to go. I've got my oven here. It is preheating, and let's see what happens, people. Look at that, it's laying down a nice coat. There we go. Get a little close and that shot comes in, so you gotta be careful there. Don't be afraid to lay it on thick. You wanna make sure you get nice and easy coverage. Nice thing, I've got that Lazy Susan. This looks to be about a good amount of flow coming out here. See, got a little close again. That's going to leave a mark. I'm going to cover that up a little bit. Got to be really careful to stay about 5 or 6 inches back. You can hear that compressor really kicking off in the background. I'm just going to go over it one more time. Make sure I got some even coverage. Don't be afraid to get the powder on there. Okay. Now what we're going to do is just going to come in and give it a glance over. See if we have any spots where we're missing. It's looking pretty good so far. Okay, now let me take my handy dandy electrical gun here and let's see what temperature we've got in the oven. Okay, we still got a little bit going. I'm going to turn this up a little bit. And the reason is for this is Harbor Freight powder coat paint. And you've got to get it up to 400 degrees to cure the cup. The actual part has to get up to 400 degrees. And so we take a little bit of a few minutes to do that. And pause. Okay, we're back. Took a little break. I came in with a handy dandy vacuum with my little vacuum attachment and cleaned up a little bit. And so I've got my toaster oven now up to temperature. We're now going to go ahead and put the cup in the oven. This is where you have to be really careful that you don't bump anything. Slide it in there. And then now what we're gonna do is we're gonna wait for this to come up to temperature. So every so often I'll take my gun and go check it and we'll see. So we'll be back with you in a few minutes. Okay, back with you here. So I've reached PMT, that's part metal temperature, which is 400 degrees. I've set the timer for 12 minutes. This will go for 12 minutes. It'll get a full cure. Then what we'll do is we'll turn everything off. We'll let it cool down. Maybe we won't turn everything off because I'm going to do another cup after this. And so we want to keep this at temperature. It took about 15, 20 minutes or so to get this little toaster oven up to temperature. I'm going to have to figure something else out. People, I don't think this is going to be sustainable to do a lot of cups in succession. But this will do for right now for my first powder coating session. And so we'll be back with you in a few minutes when we take this out of the oven. Okay, everybody, welcome back. The timer's just gone off. So we're gonna check and see. We're gonna pull this out of the oven here and take a look and see how it looks. So it's looking pretty good. What we're going to do now is just wait for the cup to cool down until touch. Right now it looks like it's about 315 degrees. 280, 290. It's dropping pretty quickly. So once that gets down, I don't know, about 120 or so like that, the cup will be comfortable to the touch. We'll inspect it over, we'll bring you back, let you take a look at it, and then we're gonna do one more cup. We'll be back in. Welcome back. We're coming to the culmination of checking out the cup as it finished. It's right now about 120 and dropping 119. That's cooled down enough to be able to touch it. So we're gonna take it off the stand. We're gonna come in, we're gonna look inside. You can see we got a really nice seal. Look under the light. Nice, even coat. I don't see any blemishes. So we got a good charge. Well, maybe there's a blemish. If you remember when you were watching the video when I had that electrical shock, that's where it made it come in and there, and also another one there. So on the next go around with that cup, we're going to avoid that. But I would say all in all, for my first time powder coating, this really came out really good. So I'm going to try one for my wife. This one's going to be for me. We're going to do, this is my basic kid here. He's got a YouTube channel called The Basic Kid. Check him out. So after we tested these two mugs, what we're going to do is then try with vinyl, with logos and stickers. So as always, if you like what you see, you want to see more, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, leave me some comments, tell me what you want to see. Basic Dad Creation, successful first Arctic powder coating mug. Have a great day, YouTube. All right, welcome back, YouTube. As always, Basic Dad here. Safety first. Got the mask on. I've cleaned out the gun. I've changed the powder. We're gonna hit another RTIC cup. This is my wife, and this is the color she requested. Let's give it a go. I think I'm gonna have to turn up the pressure here. There we go. All right, what I think we have going on here is you see the powder is not sticking. So I'm gonna blow this off and I'm gonna try again. I don't think I have a very good electrical charge happening. So we'll be right back with you. I'm gonna chalk this up to being a rookie and a beginner. Even though I had air, the gun was spraying. What I forgot to do was turn the machine on. So rule number one of powder coating is make sure your powder coating machine is turned on. So we're gonna give it another shot and let's see how it turns out. And as you can see, we're starting to get better coverage. So we'll chalk that one up to a rookie mistake. Another rookie mistake. Got a little too close. This go around, I'm really going to make sure. Apologize for the air compressor. We're going to make sure we get some really good coverage here. This is my wife's cup, so we got to make sure we do this right. Happy wife, happy life, right? Okay, so this go around, I really think I got the PSI dialed in on the air compressor. We had really good spray, really good flow. Cup came out the way I was looking for. You know, I've gone through here and looking for blemishes or issues. Looks pretty good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a quick cleanup. I'll be back with you as we put it in the oven. Hang tight, YouTube.